Hello, it's Miss Thompson, and today we have a video reviewing Africa. So we're going to be talking about countries and physical features. So let's start in the top left with Morocco. Right below Morocco, we have Western Sahara. So if we go to the right of Morocco, we have Algeria. So on the top here, we have Tunisia. To the right of that, we have Libya, and in the top right corner here, we have Egypt. So let's keep going left to right. So here we have Mauritania. To the right of that, we have Mali. To the right of that, we have Niger. Then next to Niger, we have Chad. And then we have Sudan. And then here on the edge next to Sudan, we have Eritrea. So if we go back over here, so this country right here is Senegal, and the tiny strip of land inside of Senegal, that's the Gambia. So then right below Senegal, we have Guinea-Bissau. Next to that, we have Guinea here. This circular country right here, Sierra Leone. And then this country down here is Liberia. So then next to Liberia, we're going to have Cote d'Ivoire or Ivory Coast. And next to that, we have Ghana. So north of Ghana is Burkina Faso. So to the right of Ghana or to the east, we have Togo. And then next to Togo, we have Benin. And here in the crook of Africa is Nigeria. So then below Nigeria, we have Cameroon. And to the right of Cameroon, we have the Central African Republic, or the CAR. So the way that I usually remember it is that the CAR is in the center of Africa, the Central African Republic Center. So next to the CAR is South Sudan. This was once a part of Sudan, but it broke off and became its own country. So here we have Ethiopia. In the Horn of Africa, this is Somalia. And don't forget this tiny country here between Eritrea and Somalia. This is Djibouti. So then below Ethiopia, we have Kenya. Right next to Kenya, we have Uganda. And this big country right here is the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The way I would remember it is the Central African Republic, the CAR is here, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo, the DRC is here. So CAR, DRC. So then right next to the DRC, we have Congo. Here we have Gabon, and then this little part right here is Equatorial Guinea. So if we're going to go under the DRC, we have Angola, then we have Zambia. Right under Uganda, we have Rwanda, this one right here, and then right below that we have Burundi. And then this country here is Tanzania. So below Tanzania, we have Mozambique. To the left of that, we have Zimbabwe. To the left of that, we have Botswana. And over here, we have Namibia. So then at the bottom of Africa, we have South Africa. But South Africa has two countries inside of it. So this country inside South Africa is Lesotho, and then this other country inside South Africa is Swaziland. And then this island country right here is Madagascar. So now we can talk about physical features. So we can talk about bodies of water first. So to the north of Africa, up here, we have the Mediterranean Sea. It separates Africa from Europe. So then when we go over here, separating Africa from the Middle East, we would have the Red Sea. And when you go down here between Mozambique and Madagascar would be the Mozambique Channel. So if we go inland, now in this area of South Africa would be the Orange River. When we move up into Botswana, we have the Kalahari Desert. In Zambia, the Zambezi River flows right here into Zimbabwe. In the DRC and the Congo, this would be where the Congo Basin is, as well as the Congo River. So this part, which weirdly shows up on this map, is Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria touches Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania. And up here in Ethiopia, we have the Ethiopian Highlands. So if we move into Sudan, the White Nile River is on the left and the Blue Nile River is on the right. They actually meet in Sudan and then run through Egypt and empty into the Mediterranean. So in Chad, right in this spot where my cursor is touching Nigeria, there would be Lake Chad. And up here in Morocco and Algeria, we have the Atlas Mountains. Okay, so I hope that was helpful in reviewing our countries in Africa and our physical features. Thank you. Have a good day.